Words about the story of the report.
Instead. Instead. Instead means in place of.
He ate the carrot instead of the ice cream.
Library. Library. A library is a place where you go to read books.
The library at school is full of books.
Planet. Planet. A planet is a large round things in a space.
Saturn is the planet with the ring around it.
Report. Report. A report is something students write for school.
Karen had trouble writing her report.
Several. Several. Several is more than two, but not many.
He had to read several books for class.
Solve. Solve. To solve something is to find an answer to it.
All the students could easily solve the math problem.
Suddenly. Suddenly. If something happens suddenly, it happens quickly and unexpectedly.
I was suddenly surprised by the cake my friends brought me.
Suppose. Suppose. To suppose is to guess.
I suppose I should go home now.
Universe. Universe. The universe is the known or supposed objects in space.
The universe is so large that it cannot be measured.
View. View. To view is to look at something.
Michael likes to view himself in the mirror.
Please subscribe my channel and like my videos.